Welcome to Ascendra, where success begins the moment you step in. Dito, hindi lang opisina ang papasukan mo. It's a place of growth, learning, and community. Every step you take here brings you closer to your goals. As you enter, mararamdaman mo agad ang energy ng mga achievers. This isn't just a workplace. This is a space built for dreamers, doers, and future leaders. Here is our cashier and customer service area. Dito, you will always be greeted with a warm smile. We value people first. Kasi sa Ascendra, every partner matters. And here is our product releasing area. Dito naman makukuha ng mga partners natin ang mga produkto na magbibigay ng value and transformation sa maraming tao. Kasi sa Ascendra, hindi lang kita ang usapan, kundi ang impact at tulong sa bawat pamilya. This is our seminar room, the heart of transformation. Every chair here holds stories of breakthroughs, clarity, and leaders in the making. And of course, the office of our founders. This is where big visions and bold decisions are made. Here is our boardroom, the space for founders and partners to align, collaborate, and create big visions for the future. Every idea here starts with a strong foundation. Content creators, this one is for you. Our green screen room are made to bring your ideas to life. Professional, creative, and ready for your next viral content. Para sa ating mga digital hustlers, we have a live selling booth designed to help you connect, showcase, and scale your business. For our online warriors, we have a co-working tables where collaborations and productivity thrives. This is where connections turns into reality. Ascendra is not just a company. This is a movement. Kaya kung hanap mo ay lugar na nakikita ka, matututo ka, at mag-grow ka bilang isang tao, this is where you belong. Dahil dito sa Ascendra International, kami ang kapartner mo sa pag-asenso. So the question is, are you ready to take your seat? Start your journey and rise with Ascendra? Join us, experience the vision, and grow with the community.